How are you doing today? I just wanted to talk about a new airdrop for solo holders. So if you are going to be getting the solo token airdrop, you'll be holding the solo token and you can participate in these core airdrops. And this is going to be happening every month all year for 2022. So if you go to sologenic.medium.com, you can find out more about that. And you'll see here Corium airdrop 100 mil, I guess, core for Sologenic community and solo holders. So you go right here, visit Corium, you click on that, and it'll take you here. And then on the top it says learn how to claim core airdrop for solo holders. First snapshot December 24th through to December 31, 2021 at random time. So when we click on this, it'll take us here, and basically you can find out, you can read here. You have to hold it in a specific wallet, and if you hold it on an external centralized exchange, it has to be supported. So this talks about the ratios of like how much for each solo, see, 0.83 core per solo. So it tells you if you have these much solos, how much are you going to get the ratio of core tokens. Here are the snapshots. This might be where you're interested in knowing when you're going to get them, and as you can see, January through December, so every single month. So if you have the solo token in the supported wallet or exchange, you can be eligible for these. So I just wanted to let you know where you can find out more about this airdrop. And also they have a video here explaining what it's a layer 1 blockchain. And if you want to find out more, you can watch this video.
There are many different blockchain networks. Each is trying to solve a specific use cases. Some lack modern consensus protocols, and some are economically non-viable for DeFi ecosystems. Bitcoin is an excellent store of value, but its transaction processing is slow. Ethereum is a great technology, but its current underlying infrastructure is not natively scalable. The high transaction fees make this technology almost unfeasible to be widely adopted by financial institutions. Some other blockchains are fast and cost-efficient, but lack modern architecture such as smart contracts. Meet Corium. Corium is a third-generation Layer 1 blockchain.
Okay, so if you come here to this video, you can find out more about it. So I just wanted to let you know, yeah, it's going to be, you'll be able, to build decentralized apps, DeFi, metaverse to gaming, banking. So it looks like it's going to offer a lot of things. So if you're interested in getting this airdrop and participating in this blockchain, just come here and you can find out more and stay on top of it so you can participate in this. So I hope you like the content. If you did, please leave a comment about the core token or the solo token or XRP if you're interested in this and what you think about it. And have a great day. Bye-bye.